pull the trigger on your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner and getting absolutely nothing? No lights, no motor spin, just a sudden, expensive silence? So, what's the culprit? Usually, it's a hardware double whammy. We're talking about a burnt-out motor and a degraded battery pack working in tandem to shut you down. When the motor draws too much or the battery loses its punch, the whole system locks up to prevent a meltdown. Ignoring this doesn't just mean a dusty hole. It can lead to internal shorts that make the machine unfixable. It's frustrating, but before you give up on your vacuum cleaner, you've come to the right place. We make repair easy using specialized tools and genuine spare parts to bring your Dyson back to life. When a Dyson V10 refuses to vacuum, our team doesn't just guess. We use specialized diagnostic voltage meters to pinpoint the failure. In many cases, it's a double fault, where both the digital motor and the battery pack have reached their limit. Our solution is a complete power system overhaul. We carefully remove the faulty motor and degraded battery, replacing them with genuine components. This ensures your Dyson doesn't just turn back on, it returns to its peak suction power. But don't just take our word for it. Let's put this machine to the test. Look at that suction. This Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner has its legendary suction back. It's not just fixed, it's restored to factory peak. It's powerful, reliable, and ready for action. Stop struggling with a dead vacuum cleaner. Contact RoboCare now. Visit our website or call us to book your repair. We'll handle the rest.